She is putting on her favorite jacket. She is putting on her favorite jacket. He is taking off his coat. He is taking off his coat. She is buttoning up her shirt. She is buttoning up her shirt. She is dressing up for the party. She is dressing up for the party. She is wearing sunglasses. She is wearing sunglasses. He is unbuttoning her jacket. He is unbuttoning her jacket. He is tying his tie. He is tying his tie. He is putting on his shoes. He is putting on his shoes. He is zipping up his jacket. He is zipping up his jacket. He is taking off his hat. He is taking off his hat. He is putting on his socks. He is putting on his socks. She is lacing up her sneakers. She is lacing up her sneakers. He is rolling up his sleeves. He is rolling up his sleeves. He is wrapping a scarf around his neck. He is wrapping a scarf around his neck. She is trying on a dress in the fitting room. She is trying on a dress in the fitting room. Hurry up, put your jacket on. Hurry up, put your jacket on. She is slipping off her high-heeled shoes. She is slipping off her high-heeled shoes. He is buckling his belt. He is buckling his belt. He is unzipping his jacket. He is unzipping his jacket. She is wearing a hat. She is wearing a hat. He always tucks in his shirt before school. He always tucks in his shirt before school.